let me show you how I herb infuse the oils that I use to prepare the Aromatherapy Natural Soap. I start by using the following ingredients: a cup of calendula, a cup of rosemary, and a cup of lavender buds. I mix all these herbs together and infuse it with extra virgin olive oil. I also let it cook in low heat for 8 hours. Once it's done, I let it cool down for another few hours. Then I start straining all these herbs from this oil. I use a stainless steel strainer and also a cheesecloth and strain all the herbs from this oil. Once I'm done pouring the infused oil, now I am ready to start straining the infused oil with the cheesecloth. I try to strain as much as I can to get that beautiful, luxurious oil. Once the oil is strained and clean, it's ready to be used to blend it with butters and more oils to make the Aromatherapy Natural Soap. And this is the end result. This is the luxurious oil blend Aromatherapy Natural Soap. I hope you like it.